must have a credit or debit card associated with the account that is not prepaid, and you must have a good payment history on Amazon. So let's say it somewhat depends on Amazon's decision whether to give you this opportunity to pay in 3, 5, or 12 installments. Returning to the payment methods, we then have financing through an external financing company. So here I don't have much to tell you because it is a service in collaboration, probably with Amazon. Finally, you can use Amazon gift cards. You can purchase Amazon gift cards online directly on the site, but also use a payment method similar to the one mentioned earlier, cash at the nearest store. So you can purchase gift cards and then pay for them in cash. You can also buy prepaid cards that you find around in supermarkets and various stores. But among these, there is a payment method that prompted me largely to make this video, which does not appear among these. And to show it to you, I need to use my phone. And it is payment with NFC. What does that mean? If your phone has the NFC chip, you can activate it and turn it into a sort of POS. So you select this payment method, activate the NFC, and then you can swipe a card for contactless payment. What does this mean? That if you need to buy something for someone else, they can pay as if they were at the store. So it often happens that an aunt, a relative, a cousin, or even a friend asks you to buy something, you show it to them through the phone. Then you let them pay with their payment method so that they don't have to give you money. And it's simply easier said. I'm curious to know which method might be more convenient for you. I really like the fact that I can use the NFC chip on the Amazon Pay. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more PC solutions. See you in the next video. Bye.